This is the Shopping and Services lecture, part 1 of 3 parts. If I go too fast for you, you can slow the video down, or you can pause it, or you can rewind and listen again. Shopping and services. We will talk about types of services, shops, stores, buying clothing, problems, returns, assistance, asking for assistance, and we will also talk about money, paying for things, and sales. Everyone loves sales. So in the USA, we don't usually call them shops. We say stores. You also should keep in mind we have small stores and we have department stores. department, department stores, like Walmart, the biggest department store, the largest retailer in the world. They're pretty much everywhere in the States. And so we'll talk about buying clothing, and you should know that, make sure you can pronounce these words correctly as well for the test. Clothing, we also say buying clothes, clothes, clothes. Cloth is material or textile, and you can buy cloth to make clothing. So we'll talk about problems you might have when getting or trying to get services, returning or exchanging things that you've purchased. You should also know that the word purchase is a synonym for to buy something. To purchase, to buy. And so we'll talk about money, paying for your purchases, and sales. Everyone loves sales. So where can I buy medicine? We can buy medicine at a pharmacy, pharmacy. In the USA, we call it a pharmacy or a drugstore, store, and in Britain, they call it a chemist, chemist, chemist. So buy gloves, something like gloves, hats, any small piece of clothing. We could either buy them at a sports shop, specialty sports shop, or we could buy them at a department store. To get a haircut, where would we get a haircut? At a barber shop. We also would, females, women, could get a haircut at a hairdresser, dresser, or a hairstylist, stylist, hairstylist. In Britain, I think they say beautician. Mail a letter, post office. Buy nails or screws. In Britain, a DIY store, DIY. In the USA, a hardware store, hardware, hardware store. And we also have shops like Hornbach, which are called home improvement stores. You could buy groceries at a grocery store. Grocery store, grocery store. In Britain, greengrocers. And if you're health conscious, if you like healthy food, a farmer's market. You can clean your car at a car wash, WASH, car wash. Okay, let's see. Boom. And get your car repaired. We say that we will take our car to the shop. We're not taking our car shopping, we're taking it to the shop. In Czech, I think it's dílna. So we take our car to the shop, or we take our car to the mechanic. The mechanic M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, mechanic. Also take our car for servicing. Buy insurance for your house or your car. There's a special place that you buy insurance that sells only insurance. So you would go to this insurance agent. An insurance agent. Pay house taxes, something like Urjad, it's called City Hall or Town Hall if you live in a town. H-A-L-L. Okay? Is basically the government. Buy some whiskey or rum. In the USA, we would go to a liquor store. This is in your book, and it's spelled in your book as well. Liquor store in Britain, it's the, I forgot what they call it, off license. Fill up your car's gas tank. This would be at a gas station or a petrol station. Get local fresh vegetables. I think we said farmer's market. Cash a check, make a deposit, withdraw money. You guessed it, the bank. Take money out, withdraw money, deposit money, put money in. Wash a load of laundry. To wash a load of laundry, you go to the laundromat. Okay. And if you need to hire someone to do some work in your house or something, an electrician will do electric work. A plumber, in Czech that's instalator, plumber, will fix your leaky pipes. A carpenter will build some shelves in your house for you. A roofer will, if you have a hole and water is leaking into your house, they will fix your roof or put a new roof on top of your house. A caterer, if you have a party, you can hire someone to cook food, a caterer. A math tutor can help your children if your children need help with math. Private teacher. Dry cleaners, if you have a expensive dress or suit, you can get it cleaned. A butcher will sell you meat. I think we said off-license liquor store already. Florist, flowers. Cell phone carrier. T-Mobile is a cell phone carrier. And some people don't have to have their phone by a carrier. They have it unlocked. Buying clothing in a store or online. You can buy either expensive, a little bit cheaper, or specialty clothing. Expensive is fashion clothing. You go to some brand name stores like Levi's, Macy's, or The Gap. Cheaper stores like Walmart, basic level of quality. Specialty stores like to buy work clothes, for example, or wedding dresses. So an obvious disadvantage to online clothes shopping is that you can't buy them on, you can't try them on to see if they fit, and you can't examine the quality closely, although it is more convenient to shop online, however. An advantage to buying from Walmart is that you can buy cheaper things. A disadvantage of buying from Walmart is that the quality may be lower.